Okay. It says, Dear Scott, this is your heart. I bet you never expected to get your test results in a letter from me, but I thought this would give us a chance to talk. I do have a few health issues, being diagnosed with high blood pressure.
So I'm young to have any heart issues, honestly. So the more I know, the more I can change.
I got the test done because I'm getting up there in age.
I know there's a strong family history of heart disease, so I was very interested in getting these results for me.
So when this opportunity came up, I wanted to know. Dear Scott, this is your heart.
Dear Sean, it's me, your heart. This isn't how you're used to getting test results.
I know it's a little unexpected, but I figured getting this heart test was a perfect opportunity for us to talk.
I know how much you love going to the doctor and getting poked and prodded, but you stepped up anyway, and I'm grateful that you wanted to make sure I'm okay.
There usually aren't any secrets between us. I know you want to be a full-time grandma, and I know that if you were a superhero, your weakness would be chocolate. Of course. But there could also be some secrets I'm keeping from you.
We've been through a lot together. 5 kids, 5 grandkids. You keep me hustling, that's for sure, and I love you for it. I also love that when you got diagnosed with high blood pressure, you changed your diet. You stayed active and things got better.
I sometimes think about Mom and Dad's heart attack and wonder how I'm holding up. Yeah, I know we've been feeling pretty good, but there could be hidden things going on with me that you'd never know about if we didn't look.
I know it seems at times that you and I aren't on the same page, but I also know you're trying to exercise more. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for learning to fly. I'd say I can't begin to tell you how it feels, but you already know. I've never swelled with so much joy as when we're in the air, except for when Lydia enters the room. She's the best decision we ever made, which makes her the best reason to take care of our health.
They found out that right now I'm doing great. Hey. You see, all this worrying about doctors for nothing.
Your test did show a couple of things. There are signs that suggest your prediabetes could be heading towards type 2 diabetes.
Your near-term risk for heart disease appears to be low, but that doesn't mean we're out of the woods.
Overall, we think we checked out pretty well, but not perfect. There are a couple things we need to pay attention to. Our cholesterol is up a little, and the number of LDL particles, those things that carry bad cholesterol around in our blood, is up a bit too. We also have some slight elevations in our other markers, probably too high for our own good. We might be damaging the lining of our blood vessels, which puts us at risk for heart disease.
And there were other elevated markers. Having too many of these is actually worse than having too much cholesterol. The good news is these elevated markers will often respond to changing our diet and losing weight.
Our doctor will probably tell us to cut back on saturated fat, eat more fiber, and use extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar.
We have so much to look forward to. Spending time on the farm, Dale's retirement, and Derek's wedding. I love you, Deb, and that comes straight from the heart.
We have so many wonderful things to look forward to. Let's make sure we're here to enjoy them. You can do it. I know you can. I love you, Susan, and that comes straight from the heart.
This test was just another way you've shown you care. About Lydia, about your family, and about me. We love you, Sean. That's coming straight from the heart.
I know you got this. I want you to stick around for a good long while to be there for your kids and watch your grandkids grow up. I love you, Scotty, and that's coming straight from the heart.
Knowing what's wrong, I can be proactive in taking care of myself and making changes.
I feel very encouraged. I feel a lot of relief. So exercise and tweaking my diet a little bit, those will be my next steps.
The more I know, the more I can change. Knowing what I'm doing and what I should be doing helps me make the right decisions every day.
So knowing is important to me based on our family. I know they need me, and I did it because I need them.